This is our latest project right here. It's a 2010 Fat Bob. We're gonna go with a T-Man Stage 3 kit in this bike. We're gonna run his heads, his pistons, and his camshafts. We're gonna run a D&D Fat Cat with a 58mm Screaming Eagle throttle body. We're looking for some pretty good numbers out of this and still keep runnability. As you can see, Brian's got the bike all tore apart. We're going to be shipping out the heads and the cylinders to T-Man. Parts should be trickling in here pretty soon. We're going to get this back together, get it on the dyno, and keep everybody posted.